All right, good afternoon, evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to day one right here for the Forex Expo. My name is Bassam. We still got a few more hours to go and a little bit more of the speakers to come up on stage to talk about the trading, the Forex, the training, the education, the on everything. Now, coming up on stage, we'd like to welcome Mr. Andrew from B2B Impay. It's a digital assets processing system. He's the head of global business development, and he's going to talk a little bit more about the key components of the Forex broker turnkey. Yalla, Mr. Andrew, please on stage.
Thank you very much. Hi, hello. Hello everyone, happy to be here today. Hope everyone is having a pleasant journey for this expo and just beautiful expo day. Just a small recap, not only from the B2B Impay, also from B2Broker. B2Broker is the group of companies and B2B Impay is one of our products. This is a crypto payment gateway. Nevertheless, B2Broker, we're liquidity and technology provider. So basically, we can either power your business, whether it's brokerage or crypto exchange with our technology, or you can set it up with us from scratch. And that is my today's topic, basically key components of the Forex brokerage turnkey solution. I would like to share some of the valuable guidelines or some of the valuable useful guidelines for you if you're planning to start your brokerage business based on the decade of experience that we had during the last, to be precise, 9 years. To begin with, basically, every single brokerage consists of the main vital parts for every single setup. Of course, legal. Legal is the jurisdiction. Legal is your target markets where you're going to offer your services. From the legal perspective, right, we're B2B. If you have a company, if you're planning to have a company, still, we will be able to guide you through the whole process from in and out, from A to Z, how to do, where to do, and so on and so forth. Multiple of license available. We're not offering this as a service, but of course, we'll be glad to make an introduction. Marketing aspect. Marketing aspect is what is really crucial here, because even with established company, with cutting-edge technology solution inside your platform, with prime-of-prime liquidity solution that we may give you, marketing is the key. So speaking about marketing from early stages, you should decide for yourself what would be your target markets and how you're going to position your product. What specifically would be your competitive advantage in that case? Of course, sales, operations, finance, and the most vital part here is the technology. The main thing about the technology, you need to find a trustworthy partner who's going to cover that from the technology standpoint, from the liquidity standpoint as well. And this part of the scheme, basically the part of the technology, we'll be glad to cover it from A to Z. Just a simple scheme, how every single brokerage platform up and running. So basically there is a CRM system, our CRM system called B2Core, of course including all of the affiliates model, mobile application, just a sample example. Payment system, for this specific example I would use the B2B Impay, the digital asset processing that we do offer. Money management platform, trading platforms, C-Trader, MetaTrader 4 and 5 are fully integrated in our solution, and for the C-Trader, easy to get white label solution and start the brokerage. And of course, the core and the major part of every single brokerage setup is the liquidity. This is leading me to the next slide of my presentation. We're acting as a multi-asset institutional margin liquidity provider. What we do, we're running an agency model from the day one. And all the volumes coming to us as for the counterparty of your trade for hedging purposes is going straight through processing. So it means, what does it mean, agency model? We're doing an aggregation. So with us, it is more efficient capital-wise. You don't need to segregate the funds between 10, 15, example, 20 different LPs. You will have a single margin account with us, whether it's going to be 1.0 Prime XM, or if you're using Centroid, Centroid is also compatible. Store money with us and get access to more than 800 plus instruments, saying nothing about the fixed API connection, because for the fixed API connection, the number of instruments is more than 1,000 last time I checked. You will get the following asset classes such as Forex, metals, equity indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency is, I would say, one of the most popular even as a CFD instrument, trading instrument nowadays. And we're offering one of the largest and the widest, I would say, in terms of the trading instruments offer on the market. More than 150 crypto CFDs is available, and more is good to go. I mean, more coming. Where all the time from the day one we've been upgrading and improving our liquidity solutions, honestly speaking, on a daily basis. So we have about 330 people working with for us or in B2 Broker, and all of them, every single product has its own development. We're constantly developing day by day. We're doing aggregation for the bank and non-bank financial institution, and we have multiple options in terms of the distribution and in terms of aggregation as well. So basically we can give you or we can establish an account for you on 1.0, Prime XM, Centroid is compatible, as I told you. One of the, just an example of the hubs, it's Marksman Hub. It's our tailor-made hub for spot liquidity, which support perpetual futures and mostly used by crypto exchanges for the hedging purposes on the spot markets, crypto spot markets. Of course, for the distribution, MetaTrader 4, 5, C-Trader, fully integrated in our ecosystem and can be easily used. And of course, some of the platforms can be provided as the white label solution for you. Just another recap, another scheme for you, for the clarification, for you to be 100% clear how does it work, right? There is a pool of liquidity makers whom we're doing an aggregation. We're doing an aggregation via Prime XM, 1.0, Centroid, Marksman for Spot as an example, right? So basically, this tier is we, B2 Broker. And then the liquidity venues distribution. MetaTrader 4.5, as I told you, X-Core of the Prime XM, fixed API connections, C-Trader, 1.0 Hub, DX Trade. A few examples speaking about the crypto spot market. B2BX is our institutional Estonian regulated crypto exchange, only for institutions. So basically, this is also one of the distributor of the liquidity that you can get with us, and specifically made for spot liquidity. And these are the takers, as you may see, white labels, brokers, different providers, exchangers, so on and so forth. So every single business in this industry, we can become a liquidity provider for them. The next part, the crucial part when we're speaking about the brokerages, and the key aspect of the brokerage is the trading platform. Just an example, the first I would like to emphasize the C-Trader is the trading platform. B2Core, which is our CRM system, has a full integration with the C-Trader platform. Along also in the nearest future, not to be over-promising, I will not tell you the exact date and time, but we're planning to integrate the web UI of the C-Trader inside our solution. So mobile application, desktop version, API, more than UI, I guess most of you know what is C-Trader, right? More flexible trading condition in terms of the presets. Account management tools, and as I told you, fully integrated into our environment, into ecosystem that we are offering. Hedging, netting, and advanced risk management available for the broker via the C-Broker application. And this is one of the greatest examples of the platforms that we do have and that you may use establishing the brokerage with us. Or as an example, potentially you have an existing broker, you have your own CRM system, tailor-made, you are offering MT4 and MT5. C-Trader is an also solution for you, so it can be taken standalone and integrated into you. We will provide you with a white label along with the liquidity, and this will significantly expand your offerage for your retail customers and retail clients. The next platform, I will not spend much time here. Every single person here, I suppose, know MT4, MT5. One of the platforms is still supported, fully supported with our B2 Core, as well as the mobile application. So full ecosystem integration. And there, a lot of the tools in regards of the technical analysis, management rights, group settings of symbols, hedging and netting, as you may know, available for the MT5. The core thing about the platform, of course, it's up to you to decide what platform you're willing to have and what platform you're willing to have to offer. But based on our experience, the best would be to have as many as you can. So you would be covering the markets globally, whether client from country X is more comfortable with MetaTrader, no problem, you have it. Whether client Y is more comfortable with a C-Trader, no problem. IBs, group of customers. The more you can offer, of course, the better. And with us, you have such possibility and you have such solution in place. Speaking about the B2 Core, basically the core thing for every single brokerage platform, the literally speaking, we call it the core because really without a CRM system, backend, frontend, the core where all of the modules would be integrated and all of the modules would be available as a front end for your end customer, brokerage can't exist, to be honest. And speaking about the B2Core, first of all, B2Core solution is compatible with Forex, crypto brokerages, crypto exchanges, wallet solution, exchangers, spot converters, wallet providers, multiple of options. Wallet section, so there is no limitation in regards of adding the wallet, even illiquid custom, your own custom tokens, your local currencies can be added there. Trading analytics based on, as an example, you will have an account of CTrader, MT4, MT5, and there in the B2Core there will be analytics available for your end customer, which really looks great. Fund section, 130 PSPs integrated. It means simply you're signing an agreement, taking an API keys, put them back in the backend, and that's it. Good to go. Everything is done for the simplicity and everything is done for the businesses to be good as possible in regards of the payments, because payments is the key. Of course, saying nothing about the B2B and Pay, our solution, which, of course, you will start accepting crypto as the payment. Trading platform integration, as I told you, CTrader, white label, MT4, MT5, IB module that I would cover a bit later in more details, but this tool will give you a possibility to create structure of an IBs of your brokerage. Dashboard, some of the fancy things for the end customers to monitor their balances, so on and so forth. Of course, every single brokerage might expand their offer with an exchange. It would be simple exchange, but you as the broker, you will have a control over it. You may use one of the pre-integrated provider, use manual rates for your custom currencies as an example, multiple of ways. And of course, KYC. For the KYC in the B2Core, we have an integration of 6 different providers. One, of course, is manual, so the KYC can be fully done on the manual side. Sapuma, DeFi, Identity Mind, Sum and Substance, Shafty Pro, all of them are already integrated, so simply API keys, external connection, and that's it. Some of the more details about the B2Core solution, the user interface, we have a advanced trading UI for the crypto exchanges, adaptive user layout, an example in the dashboard, it can be customized, and you from the backend and even client from the frontend can customize it upon their need. Transaction monitoring, 2FAs, as the Google 2FA, as the SMS verification, mobile application, one of the core features of the B2Core, both Android and iOS are available, and it makes trading experience of your end customer really flawless and spoofless. As I told you, SMS services for the 2FA, just for SMS providers, a payment system integration, every single 2 weeks we have a sprint, and every single 2 weeks we're adding more and more and more systems for the integration list. And still, once the integration done, you can simply use it. Put in API keys, and good to go. Trading platforms, more platforms are coming. So I guess by the next couple of months, you will see we will, of course, update you. Some of the marketing tools, rates provider for the brokerage and for the front end. I mean, a B2Core solution includes both benefits for the broker itself, for the owner of the business, and for the end client. Of course, registration can be customizable, so we made it specifically as adaptive and as flexible in terms of settings as possible. Literally speaking, with the B2Core, you can build any strategy, any sort of business related to the fintech, or sometimes not even related to the fintech. IB, the one I would like to show you. So everything, literally everything that you need to launch your own partnership program is simply and already there. This is one of the solutions that we're offering. This is fully tailor-made by us. And in general sense, what does it mean, IB, right? Introducing broker, you're building your ecosystem, you're building partnership by your partners bringing volumes to you. And in that case, it's this solution is covering, I would say, 98% of the all potential requirements that you may even have. Because for the front end, as for the client, IB will generate you a banner. There is all the time available analytics, banners, promo, unique link, and everything. In terms of you as the brokerage to somehow plan your operations, there are 4 different types of the rebates to be paid. Based on commission and percentage, so example, what client X paid you 10, he was brought by myself as an IB, right? So 50% of that going to me as an IB. There is a markup, profit sharing, I mean, by the broker and between the partner, spread in points, and of course lots. More compatible with the MT solution, right? When there is a fixed charge per lot, and some of that, maybe 50% or like maybe fixed amount, like $1, $2, $3 can be shared and can be paid as the rebate to the end customer. Multiple of the scheduling for the rebates payment can be hourly, weekly, daily, monthly, according to your needs. And that is why I'm saying that B2Core and all of the models related with the B2Core are as adaptive as possible. And of course, I would like to be more detailed and just in simple terms show you how does it look like. So standard brokerage. There is a broker, he is attracting traders, trading open trading accounts, that's it. In that case, you will need to spend more and you need to invest more in marketing, in promotion, marketing worldwide, so on and so forth. But with an IB, and specifically with a cutting-edge solution for the CRM system, the front end, the back end, which makes your life really easier, this expansion, global expansion, will happen naturally. Because you have an IB plan, you're paying sort of the rebates to your end customers, and they are bringing their friends, I don't know, relatives, so on and so forth, to trade with you, which inevitably increase the volumes that you have and increase the money flow, and just simply, without additional investment, yes, of course, there is a profit side as the broker, but nevertheless, cannot be even compared to direct marketing expenses. And yeah, the scheme is the following. Our IB solution is multi-level, multi-tiered, so up to 40, 50 levels. This is only the levels that I have tested myself. Tier-based, based on the amount of attracted volume, based on the amount of attracted customers. There might be multiplicator, master IB, multiple functionality available. Some more details about the key functionality, of course, promo banners that can be generated by broker and can be set on any landing page of the end customer or another broker. As an example, referral links. Every single person will have a unique referral link to whom IB will automatically attach this person to the partner who brought them. After payouts and all of the currencies available in the B2Core, even in your custom token or even in some illiquid currency, or I mean not generally used, some maybe local API, so all of the details can be taken from this application. And the cool thing about the API, just I would like to stop here and emphasize one thing. IB introducing broker model in the B2Core is an additional application. It means even if something will happen, I don't know, with the trading activity, there will be nothing. IB at any given moment of time will have a chance to recalculate everything. It's coming back to the database of the trading platform, taking the data from there. API and IB itself can be used both if you're offering margin trading, if you're offering spot trading, if you're offering margin trading plus converter exchange module in the B2Core, and at the same time it would be up and running for both platforms of the both operations. QR codes generation, make it easy for scanning. Example, during the Expo, one of your partners may just show the QR code and easily get this person registered under him. Advanced analytics, which is really useful in regards of the end client from the front end for him to see the analytics, of course, and you as the broker and he is the partner, he will have the full structure of his partners, clients, volumes they made, how many they brought, are they sub-IBs or not. So this bringing you chance to literally to expand globally and to cover as many regions as you may know, as you may potentially would like to. And as a broker, of course, you will have a full history where you will see to which markets you potentially need to invest from what specifically markets partners are coming, where you need to create maybe additional partners there, just to grow your business in the most efficient way. A few words about B2B and Pay. B2B and Pay is the crypto payment gateway. We mainly have two business models there, merchant and enterprise. So it can be either crypto to fiat or crypto to crypto. For the merchant solution, there is a chance to accept multiple of cryptocurrencies, more than 70 plus cryptocurrencies. All of them would be converted into either stablecoin, coins such as Bitcoin or even fiat. And later on, fiat can be withdrawn to your corporate bank account. And the enterprise solution mostly suitable for the crypto exchanges or for the crypto converters where no conversion is required. Basically the same you're receiving, the same currency is being stored. This is a hot wallet solution regulated in Estonia. So yeah, whether you're a brokerage house, marketplace, e-commerce, IT company, website, service provider, anything. If you're willing to start accepting crypto as the payment, this is the best solution that you may get. Mobile application, as I showed you, fully compatible with all of the solutions. And honestly speaking, we're building ecosystems. That is why every single model that I'm referring and I'm describing now is part of the ecosystem, fully integrated. Just an example of the mobile application on iOS and of course on Android as well. All of the models there. So basically there is no difference between desktop and mobile. All functionality just ported. A few words about B2 Broker in general. So we have 11 offices around the globe, 330 people working as of now, and every single day we're expanding more and more and more. B2Core is the trader's room CRM front end, as I told you. IB is the part of the B2Core. Mobile application is the part of the white label of the B2Core. B2 Trader Solution, this is our tailor-made matching engine, which by now, recently we updated, that supports more than 100 trading instruments, but the cool thing about is the order book can be 200 levels. So 100 asks, 100 bids by 100 instruments, easily supported. Marksman Hub for the spot liquidity aggregation. B2Copy, it's our money management platform. Social trading, PAM, MAM, available in the B2Copy. In a group of company, one of our brands or the company is B2 Prime. It's multi-regulated, multi-asset liquidity provider, SISIC, Mauritius, and more licenses we're obtaining daily. Not daily, of course, I wish, but we're working on that very precisely. Equire, as for the digital bank solution, that's the UK-regulated, FCA-regulated EMI. B2B Pay, B2BX, as the digital asset processing for the spot exchange. Venture capital for some of the examples of the white label trading platforms that we do have. C-Trader, B2 Trader, liquidity hubs that we're using and offering for you to use. PrimeXM, 10, Marksman, and Centroid. Some of the additional information, some of the additional solution that might expand your business and might develop your business more. B2 Trader for the spot crypto exchanges, right? B2 Core, B2B Pay, B2 Copy, Marksman. Mobile application part of the B2 Core, QR codes. So yeah, I will just stop it for a few seconds. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our official social media, Telegram, YouTube, where we're posting all of the useful information. And of course, thank you very much for your time. It was a great pleasure to me speaking to you. In case you have any sort of question and you would like for us to guide you through the process, we would be delighted to assist you. So please meet us from the B2 Broker perspective at stand 67 or for the B2B and Pay 101. But on both stands, we will provide you with a clarified explanation of everything we can do for you and how we can efficiently serve your business. Thank you very much.